After the age of 60, many of us begin to notice subtle but frustrating changes in our vision. Street signs blur just a little. Reading fine print becomes a chore. And when the sun sets, driving at night can feel like navigating through fog. But what if I told you there are 4 simple, cooked vegetables, available in every grocery store across America, that could help protect and even repair your eyesight while you sleep? These aren't miracle pills. They're not expensive supplements shipped from overseas. They are whole foods, backed by science, that senior citizens right here in the US are already using to keep their eyes strong and their nights clearer. Section 1. Why vision declines with age. As we age, it's common to blame poor eyesight on just getting older. But science shows there's more to the story. The human eye is like a highly specialized camera. The lens focuses light, the retina captures images, and the optic nerve sends them to the brain. Over the years, oxidative stress, tiny, invisible chemical reactions, begin to damage delicate retinal tissue. This oxidative damage, along with chronic low-grade inflammation, slowly erodes our vision. And here's the important part. These changes aren't entirely inevitable. Nutrition plays a critical role. Just as the wrong foods can accelerate damage, the right foods can strengthen and repair. Section 2. Dr. James Porter's research. Dr. James Porter, a vision health specialist with decades of experience, has spent years studying natural, food-based solutions for senior eye care. Through his work, he identified 4 specific vegetables that, when cooked gently and paired with a small amount of healthy fat, can deliver powerful nutrients directly to the eyes. What's more, many seniors in the US who followed his recommendations reported improvements in night driving, reduced glare from headlights, and even better reading clarity under low light. Section 3. Vegetable number 1. Carrots. Let's start with the most famous eyesight booster of them all, the carrot. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a plant pigment that the liver converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for producing rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that helps us see in low-light conditions. Now here's something most people don't know. To get the maximum benefit, carrots should be lightly cooked and eaten with a small amount of fat, like olive oil, butter, or ghee. Cooking breaks down the carrot's tough cell walls, releasing more beta-carotene. And because it's fat-soluble, pairing it with healthy fat ensures better absorption. Case study. Harold, age 72, from Ohio, started adding roasted carrots to his dinner 3 nights a week. Within 6 weeks, he noticed less eye strain while reading street signs at night. His confidence in night driving improved, and he even felt less fatigued after evening outings. Section 4. Vegetable number 2. Broccoli. Next up, broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable contains 2 key antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds concentrate in the macula, the small central area of the retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing oxidative damage to the macula. That's particularly important for preventing age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss among American seniors. The best way to prepare broccoli for eye health is to steam it lightly. Overcooking can destroy these sensitive compounds. Pairing steamed broccoli with a small sprinkle of cheese or a drizzle of olive oil can help your body absorb more of its nutrients. Case study. Gloria, 68, from Florida, had trouble reading the newspaper without squinting. After adding steamed broccoli to her lunches 4 days a week, she reported noticeably less eye fatigue. Section 5. Vegetable number 3. Kale. Kale is the powerhouse of the group. It contains the highest known concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin of any vegetable, plus vitamins C and K. Kale's antioxidants help protect the retina from oxidative stress and shield it from high-energy blue light, the kind emitted by sunlight and digital screens. For seniors worried about age-related macular degeneration, kale may be one of the most protective foods available. It's best to steam or saute kale, as eating it raw in large amounts can interfere with mineral absorption and may be harder on digestion. Case study. Marie, 79, from California, was told she was at high risk for AMD. After making steamed kale a regular part of her dinners, her follow-up exam showed a slowdown in the progression of retinal changes. Section 6. Vegetable number 4. Zucchini. Finally, zucchini, a surprisingly powerful helper for eye comfort. About 90% water by weight, zucchini helps prevent dehydration-related dry eyes, irritation, and retinal fatigue. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which supports the collagen structure of the eye, maintaining its flexibility and resilience. Zucchini's mild flavor makes it easy to combine with other vegetables, soups, or pasta dishes. Case study: Tom, 81, from Arizona, suffered from chronic dry eyes that made reading uncomfortable. After adding zucchini to his dinners 3 nights a week, he noticed his eyes felt less gritty and his sleep quality improved. Section 7. The Eye Healing Meal. Individually, each of these vegetables supports a different aspect of vision health, but together, they can form what Dr. Porter calls the eye healing meal. Here's how it works. Half a zucchini, half a carrot, a handful of broccoli florets, and 1/4 cup of chopped kale. Sauté gently in olive oil for 2 minutes. Add a splash of low-sodium vegetable broth, cover, and steam for 3 to 4 minutes. Season lightly with salt, pepper, and a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Eating this combination 3 to 4 times per week could deliver a steady stream of eye-protecting nutrients. No pills, no powders, just real food. Section 8. Science-backed benefits. Studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and other peer-reviewed journals show that diets rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A are associated with a lower risk of vision decline in older adults. What makes this approach different from supplements is bioavailability. When you eat nutrients in whole foods, they come packaged with supporting compounds, fiber, minerals, and natural oils that help your body absorb and use them more effectively. Section 9. Practical tips for US seniors. Buy fresh or frozen. Both retain nutrients. Cook gently to preserve antioxidants. Always pair with a healthy fat for absorption. Make it enjoyable. Season with herbs and spices you love. Keep portions manageable to avoid waste. Image: grocery basket with fresh carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini. Closing: empowerment message. Your eyes may have served you faithfully for decades, but they still respond to care and nourishment. Even after 60, your body is constantly repairing itself. By giving it the right fuel, you're not just protecting what vision you have, you're enhancing your comfort, independence, and quality of life. So next time you're in the produce aisle, remember, sometimes the best medicine isn't in a bottle. It's right there in the fresh vegetable section, waiting for you.